Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to create this look right here. This is very neutral, but I still wanted but there is like a pop of color going on, and I really like how this look turned out. It's a very basic neutral, but yet something is going on sort of a look. So if you guys want to know how I created this look, then please keep on watching. And so I'm going to start with the moisturizer, and the moisturizer I'm going to use is obviously the Nutriderm moisturizer, and I'm going to apply this all over my face and also my neck. For primer, I am going to do something different today. I'm going to use my setting spray as my primer, and I did this last time and my makeup was looking really nice, and also it lasted for a really good amount of time. So using a setting spray as a primer really works. My base was looking really nice, and also my makeup lasted for a really good amount of time. I'm going to use this Maybelline Lasting Fix as my primer. Now I'm going to go for an actual primer, and for that I'm going to use the Maybelline Master Prime. This primer actually blurs and smooths out the pores, so I'm only going to apply this onto my problematic area, that is near my nose, over here, and also onto my chin. These are my problematic areas, so I'm going to apply only here. As usual, I will be going in with my eyes, and for my base I will be going in with this Fit Me concealer, and I will be applying this all over my eyelid, and I'm going to blend it with the help of my beauty blender. To set my concealer, I will be going in with my Fit Me loose finishing powder. For my eyeshadow, I will be going in with my Jaclynhill palette, and you guys know how much I love this palette. I want to go in with the shade Buns, and I'm using this shade as my transition shade. I want to use the shade Roxanne, and I'm going to apply this onto the outer corners of my eyes, and also blending this with my transition shade. Now I'm going to go in with my shade Hillster, and I'm going to pack this color onto my eyelid. I'm going with the shade called Hustle, which is right here, and I'm just going to apply on top of the shade called Hillster. Pack this shade onto the centers of my eyelid. Now I'm going back with the shade Hillster and make sure that everything is blended. Going in with this shade Roxanne and making sure that everything is blended. For my foundation, I'm going with my good old Fit Me foundation. This is in the shade 128 Warm Nude. Using my beauty blender, I'm going to blend everything in. This gives a very natural finish. Of course, it's like medium to full coverage, but still, this is like a everyday sort of a foundation. I really like it, but I had just forgotten how good this foundation is. For my concealer, I'm going in with this LA Girl Pro Conceal. Now to further highlight, I'm going in with my Fit Me concealer as usual. Now I am going to set all the areas where I have concealed and highlighted with this Fit Me loose powder. Okay, everything is nice and set. Now I'm going to go in with my setting spray once again. I'm going to quickly do my brows. Going back with my eyes, I'm going to use the shade Obsessed, and I'm going to apply under my eyebrows. Also, I'm going to apply this shade into the inner corners of my eyes. For my lower lash line, I'm going in with the shade called Pool Party. This shade right here. And I'm going to apply this beautiful shade onto my lower lash line. To bronze up my face, I'm using my all-time favorite HOOLA bronzer by Benefit. Hi guys, so unfortunately my video stopped recording while I was applying my blush and all. I'm really sorry for that. So for my blush I used the NYX Sweet Cheeks palette. For my blush I used this. My highlighter I used the Makeup Revolution Ultra Blush palette, and also I've got my lashes on and I've got these earrings on. The lipstick I'm going with my Nykaa Liquid lipstick, and this is in the shade Gul. Now I'll set my face using this Maybelline setting spray that I used earlier. So that's it. I hope you guys liked it, and if you did, then please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And I really like how this look turned out. I wanted something neutral, but still I wanted to go in with a pop of color. So I really like the lower lash line thing that is going on. This makeup look, I feel it's really good when you go on beach or for vacation or anything. This is that kind of a look, and this give me that kind of a vibe. Hope you guys liked it, and if you did, then please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the like button, share this video, and let me know in the comment section below what more videos would you like to see related to makeup and skincare, and I would love to do it for you guys. And till then, take care, bye. I love you guys.